Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we will be explaining the inventory module to make things easier to follow. We will break it down into two separate videos. In the first video we will go through the process of receiving stock both from the point of sale and the CMS. Let's get started. In the first scenario, suppose a small number of parts or items were purchased by the workshop staff as backup or just in case. They can add these items to the system by going to the inventory module and selecting added new stock. Here, they will first choose the supplier, then select the store where the items will be added, and finally enter the relevant item details. After filling in all required information, simply click Save as Received and the stock will be successfully added to the system. Now let's look at the second scenario. Suppose a shipment arrives that has already been invoiced and the technicians need to receive it. To add this stock, they will go to the inventory module, select Add a new stock and enter the supplier and store details as before. This time they will check the Has Invoice box and then select the invoice number. All the parts and items listed in the invoice will appear. And once everything is confirmed, simply click Save as Received to add the stock to the system. Technicians also check the current stock level by going to the inventory module and selecting stock level. With Sianty, you can assign different rules and privileges to your staff, allowing them to view or update data according to their responsibilities. Now, in the third scenario, suppose it's manager or supervisor who wishes to receive the stock himself. This can also be done through the CMS portal. In the CMS, go to Supplier, then select Stock Received and click Create. If you want to add a stock for an existing bill, simply select it from the supplier bill. Otherwise, you can fill in the supplier details, select the store, and then add it to the items along with their relevant details. Once everything is filled in, click Save as Received and stock will be added to the system. So, in this video we discussed three different scenarios in which stock can be received and added to the system. In the next inventory video, we will explain the inventory process in more detail, including purchase orders and reports. Until next time, ciao.